Hi there. This is Accounting 261, Principles of Federal Taxation. Here's the book that we'll be using in the course. This is Fundamentals of Taxation by Cruz et al. It's a McGraw-Hill book. It's the year 2016, 9th edition. Give me a call if you have any questions about the book. And here's how you could do that. My name is William D. Connor. I'm a CPA. This is room number 222G, which is in Building C on the Portsmouth campus. My office number is 757-822-2315. My cell phone number is 757-287-7829. Here's the way the points are distributed in the class. Please note right off the bat that this course is not done based on percentages. It's done based on points. So you'll be adding your points up the whole way. And when I get to the next slide talking about how many points it takes to have an A, how many it takes to have a B, and so on, you can kind of keep track of how you're doing. So we're going to have Blackboard multiple choice, and we'll have that for every chapter, every learning unit. To me, these will be a really good indicator of the multiple choice part of the midterm. It's worth 1,600 points, all of these. So they're 100 to 110 points apiece. You're going to have Connect homework. That'll be both a Learn Smart learning unit, that's sort of an interactive, as well as what we call pre-built problems, where you'll actually have some short Connect problems that will be similar to the Blackboard multiple choice, but may have fill in the blanks and other things like you might have on the test. Blogs. We're going to have a blog in each of the 13 chapters, and so the blogs are going to be worth about 125 points each. What I'm looking for with blogs is for you to answer questions that I have and answer them according to the rubric I give you. The grading on this is relatively easy provided you do what you're asked to do. The midterm exam is worth 2,500 points, and that one activity during the course has to be authenticated. And we'll get to that in a few minutes. Where it says final comprehensive tax returns, that should not be plural. There's only one, and it's worth 2,500 points. You probably have already noticed that you're asked to do an introduction of yourself on the discussion board, and you're also asked to indicate whether you understand the syllabus. And I want to point out that if you don't understand the syllabus, you need to ask questions. So I'm not asking you to say you agree to something you don't agree to. I'm saying when you can get comfortable that you agree with it, write that that's true, and if not, take it upon yourself to ask questions about what you don't understand. So this is the grade policy I was talking about. To get an A in the course, you need 9,000 or more points. To get a B in the course, 8,000 to 899 points. To get a C in the course, 7,000 to 7,999. To get a D, 6,000 to 6,999. And anything less than 6,000 points is an F. So please don't look at it like you did well on the tests or you did well on the homework. The question is, did you get enough points? And you see how all the points are assigned during the course. The course coverage this is an individual income tax course. So we have Accounting 262, which is a business tax class. This one is individual tax. And chapters 1 through 13 are covered. They include coverage of the Form 1040, exclusions, itemized deductions, and capital gains. One last note for you is that as I'd mentioned earlier, the midterm must be authenticated. You have 3 choices for doing that. You can go to any of the TCC testing centers and take a Blackboard test there. Some people don't like to leave home in an online class, and you don't have to. I have 2 appointment times that I'll be notifying you about later where you can arrange to be on webcam with me taking the test. Now, if I'm giving you a test over webcam, there's no way this can be 24 hours, 7 days a week, because I have to give you some agreed upon times where I'm going to be in front of my webcam, and then you'll choose to be in front of yours. But this will be free, and it'll be on Blackboard Collaborate that we do it. You could also choose a 24/7 proctoring option, but this will require you to pay for remote proctoring, and then anytime you want to take the test, you can tell them you want to take it. Now, the final comprehensive return does not have to be authenticated, so you can do it, on your own and just complete it when you'd like. Take care. Let me know if you have questions about the course.